Hello and welcome to another What's Inside. Today we are looking at a copy of Sushi Go, the pick and pass card game. This is from Gamewright. This is the 2015 version. It's the one you'll still find on the store shelves in the retail packs as of this recording in 2021. So this is for ages 8 and up, 2 to 5 players. It takes about 15 minutes to play. It's a real easy game. You get 7 cards, you take one, pass the rest, and around the table it goes. It really works better with at least 3 people, but it's an easy game to play, and it really doesn't take long. It's easy to learn. Kids can learn it, adults can play it, all around a good time. And this is one of my all-time favorite card games, especially if you're playing with normies that don't want to play like Zombicide or something like that, but you want to play a party game that's fun. This is a great one for that. So it's just held together with a little piece of tape up here. And try and open this without tearing it up too badly. They do glue down these tabs, so it's kind of hard to open this without tearing anything. Oh, no, I'm just incompetent. Never mind, this one isn't glued down, shockingly. Yep, I'm just a terrible person at this. So we've got our cards. Then we've got some inserts here. This is just a little thing that you can mail away and tell them what you think of the game. And you can tell them how awesome it is because it's a great game. And then here's your rules. Play. It's a little stapled booklet, which I really, really like. And it's on really nice paper on top of that. And it's in color. They're really cool colors on top. The pages are kind of stuck together though. So yeah, the glossiness does kind of make them stick together, but this is a really, really fun game, and it's easy to learn, easy to play. There are variation rules in here as well, and the art is really fun. So we got 2 decks here. We'll start with the one that was on top and go from there. Alright, so they've got the gold leaf thing here that you're supposed to pull to open it, but of course I can't get the stupid thing open. That's why I don't trim my nails before filming most of the time. Of course, I end up doing that every single time. So the back of the cards are pretty straightforward. Just says Gamewright, simple design, which is a little disappointing, but I'm okay with it. Now, we've got pudding. It's got, at the end of the game, most and least, so the people with the most of the puddings get a set number of points, the person with the least gets a set number of points. So there's 5 of those. And next up we have the Maki Roll with 3 at the top. We have 8 of those. Now we have the Maki Roll with only 2 at the top. We have 12 of those. Now we have the Maki Roll with only 1 at the top corner. We have 6 of those. Next up is the egg Nigiri. It's got one little one up here. And they're worth a point. We've got 5 of those. Next up is the Dumpling. There's one up here in the corner. There are 14 of those. Next up is the Chopsticks. This lets you trade this card for 2 other ones. And we have 4 of those. So that was the first pack. Let's look at our second deck here and see what we've got in here. Alright, first card is Wasabi! We got 6 of those. Next we have Tempura. We have 14 of those. Now, Squid Nigiri is next. We have 5 of those. Next is sashimi. Not good with words. We have 14 of that one. Next up is salmon nigiri. We have 10 of those. Now we're back to puddings. We've got 1, 5 more of those. So there should be, I think, 10 puddings. Yeah, so it does have 108 cards. It does have a summary inside the rule book. You should have 14 tempura, 14 sashimi, 14 dumplings, 12 maki rolls with 2, 8 3 maki rolls, 6 1 maki roll, 10 salmon nigiri, 5 squid nigiri, 5 egg nigiri, 10 puddings, 6 wasabi, and 4 chopsticks. But that is what is inside Sushi Go, the pick and pass card game. This is the 2015 version, like I said, still available in the stores as of this recording. I love this game. It's a great party game, especially if you have normies or you're at a family event and the kids want to play too. They can grasp the concept. It doesn't revolve a lot of higher math. It's really, really easy. You probably should have a piece of paper and pencil on the side because there is a little bit of math involved, but an adult can do that. So we've seen what's inside. The game quality cards are amazing. These are really, really high-end cards. They have a nice feel to them. They do tend to slide around a lot, though. So we've seen what's in the box. You've heard my take on it. That's going to do it for this one. Thank you so much for listening and supporting the channel. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss future reviews. If you'd like to help the channel in other ways, links to my Patreon, Streamlabs, and Teespring store are in the description. And as always, we hope to see you on the next one.